Good morning, welcome to a day in the life with my 9-week-old baby. She's called Nia and here I am making her first feed of the day. I usually add in a probiotic sachet and gripe water as she has been getting a little bit of colic, so this just helps settle her stomach for the rest of the day. I have to add, if you are formula feeding your baby, then the Tommy Tippy prep machine is an absolute lifesaver. So for a feed this early in the morning, I'm usually staying in bed. A lot of the time she does usually go back to sleep after this feed, so I'll go back to sleep. But today, unfortunately for me, it was not one of those days. So next, after the feed, I'll make sure that she's got a clean nappy and she's all dry. I will warn, she does not like being changed.
What's wrong? What's wrong, Missy?
Oh my gosh, so please don't call me a bad mother, but I have to put on the moving vegetable videos just so I can get a morning coffee and get the sterilising done. Otherwise, nothing gets done in that morning if she's still awake. So we use a microwave steriliser. As you can see, I'm stacking it up as we speak. Put it on for 2 minutes and voila. Easiest thing ever. So little miss got some hiccups. Honestly, she gets them 100 times a day. When she was in my womb, they didn't stop, and now they don't stop.
They gone already? Would you just need picking up? Let's go and see what Daddy's doing. Someone's making granola. What time is it?
6:30 in the morning.
Life of a daddy. Making granola at 6:30 in the morning. Such a wholesome life you have these days. Look, Daddy's making granola. Ooh, can't wait to try it.
So here we're just finishing off the tiny bit she had left in her previous bottle. But as you can see, girl's getting sleepy.
Very sleepy.
So now it's time to sleep when baby sleeps. Just kidding. So I'll try and just get some stuff done while she is sleeping. So I'll start off by just making the bed. Don't get me wrong, I do have days where all I want to do is sleep and I probably would be snoozing right now. Then I'll just quickly get myself ready. I have found that now I have a baby, I do everything with a little bit of a speed on. There is nothing worse than being halfway through something and then she wakes up and then you can't finish it. It sends my OCD crazy. And here's me completing the never-ending task of laundry. I don't think anyone quite prepares you for the amount of laundry you have when you have a baby. Yeah, it is never ending.
Hey baby. Hey baby, look, it's you. Look, it's you. Yeah, is that a smile?
You
not. Oh, that's my hair, Nia.
And now you can enjoy Nia being the star student and absolutely loving tummy time.
There we go. Oh. Baby, come on. Baby. Come here. Shush, shush, shush. It's fine. You just don't like tummy time. Missy Moo Moo. Whoop.
So she only actually finished 2 ounces of this feed out of the 6 she's supposed to have. I don't really know why, but she must have just not been feeling that hungry at this point.
I'm very sleepy today. You're not normally this sleepy.
So just popped her down in her Joey chair and we're going to try some of Lavell's granola.
Can't believe I went for a run.
Strawberry. Nom nom.
So I try and play these stimulation cards with her every day, and to be fair, she actually loves them. Her face just lights up with each card, honestly. I've never seen a baby so happy with a picture of a black and white strawberry.
And this one is a dinosaur. Rawr. Yeah.
So nap time now.
Hello. Are you going to wake up? Are you going to wake up for us? You've been a very sleepy missus. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you going to hit one? Ready? Mm-hmm. Are you talking? Going. Oh no. Oh, hiccups now. You're gonna get upset.
So like I told you, hiccups again.
Try this, Missy. Get rid of those hiccups. Get rid of those hiccups.
So I've read if you put gripe water in a bottle and feed it straight to her, it should get rid of the hiccups.
Does it work? No. You seem pretty happy. Oh, beautiful smile. Hello. 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 Should we go for a walk? Should we go for a walk?
So I don't know what it is about that Joey vibrating chair, but Nia seems to always have an explosive poo in it all up her back. So here's me just changing her really quickly. So we're all ready to go for the walk, but we have to wait for Daddy to go out quickly. So I've just popped her in her baby gymnasium, which she actually loves.
Yeah. Are you hitting that teddy bear behind you? Yeah, you're hitting it.
She's always obsessed with that white and red mushroom though.
Yeah, well done.
So finally on our walk, eventually, here's Nia being held by Lavell because she just cries and refuses to lie in her carry cot. But couldn't be a long walk as I'm actually getting my eyelashes done today, so I had to get back for my appointment.
Got your head up. Are you ready for Daddy daycare?
Daddy daycare. Mwah. Another day with Daddy.
What are you guys gonna do?
We're gonna play. And we're gonna play some more. And we're gonna play. And we're gonna row the boat.
So obviously you don't know what row the boat is, so I'll show you from the day before.
Come on, row the boat with the toys. Let's go. More people, the quicker we get to the other side of the river. Row your boat gently down the stream.
Bye bye to Mummy.
Hi, Mummy.
Oh, she literally waved then.
Bye bye. Can I have a kiss? Back from getting my eyelashes done, and Nia was mid very long nap. I was absolutely starving but trying to be healthy, so me and Lavell decided to cook a salad together for our lunch. Well, very late lunch. It was grilled halloumi, lettuce rocket, honey and mustard dressing, crushed chilies, oregano, thyme, pink rock salt, pepper, plum tomatoes, sun-dried tomatoes and mini peppers. So we cooked it and ate it just in time for Nia's awakening. This is a new thing this week, thumb sucking.
And someone's done a big wee wee. And someone's done a big wee wee. You're all happy now, you've got your bottle.
This one's a teddy bear. Yeah, you like that one, don't you? Yeah? And we've got this one. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong? You guessed it. Hiccups once again. Poor little girl. She just can't catch a break, can she? So I find when Nia has hiccups that the sling really helps. I pop her in it, I walk up and down the gardens, and usually they do go away. I absolutely love my sling. It's from Free Rider. Literally take it with me everywhere. If she's in the pram and she's not settling, or we're in a supermarket and she's not settling, I pop her in and she always settles. Although in this heat it has been a bit of a nightmare, as my body heat and her body heat together just make us both sweat, so I try not to use it too much when it's too hot, but today it seemed okay with the breeze outside. I pop a little dummy in her mouth as well, because that usually helps with the hiccups while walking. And here's me just walking up and down the gardens. I basically live in this complex where all of the gardens face onto each other, so I'm walking past other people's houses right now, probably looking like a little bit of a mad woman. So little girl fell asleep, so I'm just going to use this time to do, more cleaning, more bottles. But to be honest, I actually don't even care. I prefer doing this than my day job. So yeah, I am so grateful for my mat leave.
So what's Daddy doing?
We decided to go for another little walk, just a little round the corner. We just need to grab a multi-pack of bottled water, as the heat has been so much recently. We need to put some water in the fridge. Days like this, I am so grateful that Lavell is home from work. I must be honest, it's so much more stressful when I'm just on my own, solo parenting. Here's an embarrassing video of me pushing the pram. No water in Lidl, so we're having to drive to Tesco. And of course here's Nia refusing to be in her carry cot and demanding Daddy to carry her home. Such a little princess. Honestly, she makes my heart melt. Just a little bit of advice from me, if you are having a baby, do not buy a Fiat 500. We going on a drive? Are we going on a drive? So you should all know Nia by now, and you know she is a drama queen, so I am preparing you for the cry.
That cry.
And silence.
That cry. Come here, beautiful girl.
After bath time, we'll read her a bedtime story while she's drinking her bottle. Just trying to introduce a little bit of a routine for her so she knows that it's time for bed. I will just add that she's wearing this dummy clip to bed this night. I read up on it the next day, and yes, you shouldn't put a baby to bed with a dummy clip on, of course. I should have thought of that. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.